What's the word, YouTube? And we back at it again with another video, man. We finna put you on. We don't hold no sauce. We heard that Auntie Annie's getting a little too expensive, bro. $12 for some nuggets. So me and Bae, we decided to go to the store. We finna sauce our own nuggets, man. That's how we finna come.
All you need is like a couple of things. This is probably already stuff that y'all got in the house, literally. So if you ever at the mall with your kids, your grandkids, your nieces, your nephews, little brothers, little sisters, and they want some Auntie Annie's, y'all can literally just say, we got Auntie Annie's at the crib. Literally. Because this is all stuff that you like most likely already got in your house. So we gonna need milk. We gonna need some measuring cups, unless you just know how to do it by eye. We not no real cooks for real, so we need the measuring cups. We need some vanilla extract.
That's gonna do it right there. You can't forget that.
Yeah. We got some cinnamon. And we got the brand Southern Homestyle biscuits. And some butter, some dark brown sugar, and some powdered sugar, a knife and a cutting board, and a bowl. But this is like all stuff that you probably already got in your house. So we finna just give y'all a tutorial on how to do it. And we found this sauce on Facebook and we want to give it to y'all. So let's go ahead and get right into it.
Let's do it. Step one, we finna cut the biscuits. Ooh, they busting out the seams. If they ain't busting out the seams, you don't want them. So I'm transitioning to the bowl. We got 4, 8, 12, 16, 20. We got 20 nuggitos.
I don't know about y'all. If when y'all do it, y'all gonna be doing a serving for, you know, a certain amount of people. It's only us two, and we decided just to use the whole thing for the biscuits. So
you can't reclose them, so you gonna have to use them.
Yeah, you have to use all of them, really. So yeah.
We on to step 2, man. We got the nuggets in the bowl. Step 2, say preheat the oven on 350.
Okay, y'all, so step 3 says to toss the biscuit pieces with 1/2 cup of brown sugar and 1 teaspoon of cinnamon. And then it says toss until everything is coated. So I'm about to do that now. So let's take the brown sugar.
Brown sugar kind of stank.
It do. So I'm just going to level it out with my finger. We ain't fancy. There we go. Smooth that out. Smooth that out.
Nice. I like that.
So now that we have the 1/2 cup of the brown sugar, now we're gonna add 1 teaspoon of cinnamon.
All we doing is evenly tossing them into the sugar and cinnamon.
Wait, I still see some white now, babe.
Hold up.
Get it good now. Get it good, babe.
I'm trying. I don't want to smash them up too much. I want to keep their shape.
Okay. Okay, y'all. So they are all tossed in the brown sugar and the cinnamon.
Overly doused them on. Overly. Alright, family. We're gonna melt some butter. What is it? How many tablespoons?
So it said to melt 2 tablespoons of butter.
Check.
2 tablespoons.
Let me lock in, twin. Let me lock in. Come on, baby.
Make sure you go straight across too, to wipe off that extra. Yup. And then just wipe that on here.
Alright, so get your measuring cup, take another spoon.
Scoop it out.
Scoop that out. Get all that in there.
That's 1 tablespoon. Put this in the microwave for about 30 seconds. Alright, y'all, so now that the butter is melted, we're gonna go ahead and pour it over the bites. Okay, y'all, so we're gonna put some glaze over the bites while it's baking, and then also put some more over the top after it's done baking. So to make the glaze, the first thing you're gonna need is powdered sugar, and you're gonna need 1 cup of powdered sugar. Big it up. Okay, y'all, so next we're gonna need 2 tablespoons of melted butter. So I'm gonna get the butter again. Okay, so this is the 2 tablespoons of butter. I'm gonna go ahead and melt it in the microwave. Now that we have the 2 tablespoons of butter melted, we're gonna go ahead and pour it over the powdered sugar. So next, y'all, we're gonna need 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract.
My baby a little chef, ain't it?
Next, we're gonna need 2 tablespoons of milk.
Y'all, we cooking up, man. We got the icing, we got the nuggets, we got the preheated oven.
Yes. Now that we have everything put in our mixture for our glaze, we're gonna go ahead and mix it up.
It look good, like.
Dang, that look like glaze.
Babe, we doing something? Babe, we doing something?
That's crazy. Y'all, tell me this don't look like glaze. Tell me this don't look like glaze. That smell like glaze. Oh, now we in here cooking up now.
Auntie Annie, don't cancel us, G.
I'm screaming.
Don't cancel us.
Giving out y'all sauce now.
Y'all really know what y'all be talking about? That looks satisfying. That looks very edible. Let me taste it. How we coming?
Oh, yeah.
That's
It tastes good? You lying, babe? Let me see.
That's glaze. It tastes a little childish. That's glaze, though.
It tastes... Hold on. Let me see.
Kinda
No,
like
we good.
Cake
It's
frosting.
been nasty for doing that. We don't want to eat it. Oh, well. No, that definitely tastes like glaze. That's crazy.
Mm-hmm. Good job. Good job.
Oh, yeah.
You know I don't play.
Yeah.
You know I don't play. Come on, man. Don't come back around with it. We're going to spin the block. We're going to spin the block.
Should we mix it up or should we just keep it like that?
I honestly think we should just keep it like this.
Okay, you're right.
We on the final step, man. We finna put this in the oven for 20 to 25 minutes. Let's see how we coming, man.
Okay, y'all, so now that it's in the oven, we're gonna check on it in about 10 minutes. Okay, y'all, it's been 10 minutes, so let me go ahead and check on the cinnamon bites. Okay, how they coming? They looking good. Definitely looking good. We're gonna keep letting them cook. Okay, y'all, so the cinnamon bites are officially done. Let's go ahead and take them out and see what they looking like.
Oh, man. We cooking up while we cooking up.
I think we're cooking up.
Sheesh.
Oh my.
Sheesh.
Jeez.
We finna put you out of business, Auntie. So we just got done taking them out the oven, man. They looking real crispy.
They look so good, but how they feel?
Okay, so this is like
It
real.
look crispy
This is
now.
real pressure right now, right?
Yeah, it's a little crispy, but I think it's gonna soften up once we put another layer of glaze on it. Okay, so y'all, you can also make some more glaze and put some more over the top once it's done. That's optional, and we finna go ahead and put some more glaze over the top. We just finished making our second batch of glazes. Let's go ahead and pour it over the top.
Wow. Wow. That looks crazy. Yes. That looks scrumdiddly.
It actually look good, man. So the bites are officially done. We are so excited to try it. They look so good. We showed y'all what they look like. Let's go ahead and see what they turned out like, babe. You think we did a good job?
Oh, yeah, I ain't mad. Whatever we did, I feel like I'm comfortable with the results.
Yes, literally, because it looks pretty delicious.
Pretty darn good.
Should we get one from the middle?
Go ahead.
Ooh, they look a little soft, babe.
Ooh.
It look like it could. Ooh, that look good though. I want to do it at the same time. Let me get another fork. Hold on now. So this yours. Go ahead, grab yours, babe. No. Just grab it.
Oh, we got our own fork.
Yeah, wait. Don't bite it. Ooh,
they dripping, boy. What?
You take this one, babe. I don't want a whole one. You know you like sweets for real. That look like too much for me.
All right, Poop.
1, 2, 3, toast. Hey, hold on. That's good.
I'm not gonna hold you. We making this again.
We make it, babe.
We doing this.
These taste just like they were sold in the store.
I feel like we could change up the taste of the glaze, but that's hidden, bro.
I see what you're saying when you say that, but it's still super good, y'all. Don't get us wrong. If you keep it exactly like this, it's good. But what would you say you would do different for the glaze?
I don't even know.
Maybe a little less powdered sugar. It tastes like a little too sugary.
That's what it is. It's the powdered sugar, bro.
You could taste like the
little grittiness of it. It's a little bit, but it's still delicious.
It's still so good though. We could sell these if we wanted to. Like these are that good. Like I'm literally not even lying to y'all right now.
No, we just not. Let me go ahead and get that. Oh, why we just go so crazy though?
This is a perfect recipe.
Like a good 9 out of 10.
Literally.
Like I said, we could change
I don't know. I would say a 10 out of 10.
Double digits, baby.
Double digits. I'm not just saying that because we just made them. They that good. But you still said a 9. That's still super good though.
No, they up there.
I think we did a good job, babe. High five. Because even though we got the directions from somebody else, we executed it. Yes, to the T. Literally.
I'm very pleased with the results.
Very pleased. Like, oh my God, we gonna have to share this though, y'all. Because if we ate this, we would probably have
sugar overload, though, bro. We bouncing off the walls.
Literally. If y'all try this recipe, just like let us know how it turned out to y'all. If it's good, put other people on with this recipe. Share this video.
Man, we ain't gonna say too much, man. We done with the recipe, man. We had fun doing it, man. We appreciate y'all coming along with us, man. Me and Bae had fun, bro.
We had fun doing this.
This was very, very satisfying, bro.
Could be a date night.
Could be a little date night for you and your shorty, man. So go ahead, man, leave a comment, like, subscribe, man. We gonna keep dropping bangers.
This video is ending and we finna go ahead and wash that down with some Fiji,
man. We gonna catch y'all in the next one. This is too much sugar, man. Tap in with us, man. We going crazy.
Yes, thank y'all so much for watching this video and we'll see y'all in the next one.